Hello guys. So right now I'm bringing you one of my latest USB dongle devices. This one in particular, Bluetooth keyboard that connects directly on your computer. If you have a headless computer, this one is the way to go. So right now, right here, I am in my little laboratory, the one that I use to 3D print and other stuff. As you can see there, I have one of my latest 3D printers. And yeah, basically this screen that I have right here is a headless server that I have. And this one is here. As you can see, it is obviously on the floor as it should be. This is a Xeon machine. All right. So let me show you how it works. You just connect this one and when you connect this USB dongle, you come to your phone, start the application. It will blink in green, and that means a successful Bluetooth connection. After that, for instance, on the right side, I have a mouse. So right now my USB dongle is acting as a mouse device. But of course, I can also use it as a keyboard. For instance, I have here something that I wrote a couple of minutes ago. Let me go there and write hello, guys. Guide. Hello, guys. So this device is compatible, fully compatible with the Mac OS system, is fully compatible with Linux system, Windows systems, and so it means that you can use it with your Raspberry and you can navigate through your computer. For instance, I have right here Visual Studio. Okay, this is the click in there, hello, and once again open up my hello world. A very portable USB device. And if you have a Raspberry, for instance, if you are a server administrator, this is a must have for you. All right, why? Because you don't have to go carrying a full-size keyboard. You don't have to be carrying these small keyboards that every time you have one of those, lose them because they are a two-piece keyboard. And well, it's just a mess. Just for you to see, this is my actual keyboard. So I have a bunch of cables right here. This is a full-size keyboard. I don't use it anymore because it just wastes space. So I updated my setup with this USB dongle. Let me show you what happens when you disconnect the dongle. It will blink in red so that you know that it went offline. All right, so you just have to connect this little fella into your computer, your server, your Raspberry, you name it. Even your phone, you can connect this into a phone. If you have OTG cable, you can connect it and you're ready to go. You can use iPhone, you can use an Android phone, and you are enabled with the most portable keyboard ever. You can just save it in your wallet. That's it. All right. I will leave the link where you can purchase this nifty device on my Tindy store. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you have if you want another demonstration, just let me know. And thank you guys for watching.